Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's tap on connections. Here select mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. And right here we can set up our hotspot. To do it, tap on configure button. And now we can change some options. We can change the name of our hotspot. Then we can tap on security to change the security type, and we have open, WPA2 personal, WPA2 slash WPA free personal, and WPA free personal. If you select open, it won't, your hotspot won't have a password, and if you select any below, you will have a password protection. Then tap on password, and here you can basically change the password. Like this. Below we have band, we can tap on this option, and here we can select between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. I'm gonna select 5 GHz, and we can also tap on advanced to open more options. And here we have a MAC address type, and you can tap on it and select phone MAC or randomized MAC. Below we have turn off when no devices are connected, and you can select the duration. Right here we have never timeout, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes rather. What this option does is basically if no devices are connected to your phone, to your hotspot, the hotspot will turn itself off automatically. And you can select the duration, for example, 5 minutes. Next we have hidden network, and we can enable or disable this option. What this option does is basically the name of the hotspot won't appear on the Wi-Fi list or list of networks when somebody is looking for Wi-Fi. And below we have protected management frames, and we can enable this option or disable it. This option basically enhances the security on your mobile hotspot. Once you're done editing the settings, tap on save to save them, and now we can enable the hotspot by tapping on the switch right here, then tapping OK, then tapping turn off to turn off the Wi-Fi, and our hotspot is enabled now. And to disable the hotspot, you can again tap on the switch. Oh my bad, let's go back, tap on the switch right here to disable it. You can also enable the hotspot by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down on the top of the screen twice, like this, and on the quick panel you should have icon called mobile hotspot. You can tap on it to enable the hotspot, and you can open the quick panel again and tap on the icon to disable it. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the mobile hotspot settings. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.